I can't believe I'm up here in Hicksville. Listen to this shit.
I use it for work.
All right, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Since you've been nice enough to allow us to use your property, well, I'm gonna cut you a break.
Ah!
Right, there's your cut. Now, if I have to come back here a second time, you're gonna get your break. Now, you think about that, huh? You also think about this. If you suddenly should remember the whereabouts of Joey, you call that number. Now, if we feel you're not involved with Joey in any way and you suddenly remember his whereabouts, there could be a reward in for you. Say in the ballpark of $30,000. You understand? Thanks again for the use of your property. Have a good day.
Morske kijk. Doe vets onuk, Rien. Doe vets onuk, Rien. Doe vets onuk, Rien.
We must respond personally.
Doe vets onuk, Rien.
Doeg, Askama. Shalhorva. Grand?
Nuta gros, Rien. Nuta gros, Rien. Nuta gros.
Souls. Doch. Los. Kvet. Vikich. Grand?
Ome suho. Ha ha ha!
Someday, that'll be me. It really will. That plan Dave laid out with Guardian, it's paying off. Of course, I'll still get up early every morning, just so I can remember I don't have to make a meeting. Maybe I'll grow a beard. Buy an old pickup truck and become an embarrassment to the kids. Might give Dave a ride in my truck, too.
There's a place we all want to be. Go there with Guardian.